Yo, what's up, guys? If you want this name tag that shows you're a developer, a creator, or just a player of a game, make sure to watch to the end of the video so you guys can know how to get a name tag in your Roblox game. This will take a little bit of code, but it's not hard, trust me. And it's totally worth it, because I've gotten one of my games on the front page once. Yes, you guys are like, stop lying, dude. I actually have. Um, it only had like a thousand players. But still, it was on the front page, and yeah. So if you want to get your game on the front page, make sure to watch till the end of the video. Okay, so first, go to server storage. Insert. Well, right click, then go down to insert an object right over down here. Then you want to insert a billboard GUI. What this does, it basically holds like a box for you to put text in. So since I already have one, I'm just gonna inside of that insert, go down to your insert a text label. Since I already have this and I already have it all customized, I'm good. So to customize your text label, you're gonna want to go into properties window. Let's just make my properties really big. So you can change the background transparency, the border color, the text color, the text size, and the font. You can do so much more, but I'm just giving you the main customizations for your billboard GUI. And then once you have that, you want to go into server script service, insert an object, insert a script, not any of this, just a normal script. And since I already have one, I called it overhead GUI, so you can come down here, name it overhead GUI, and now, since I already had this pre-done before I filmed this video, I already put in the script. So, to do this, all you gotta do is you can pause the video, whatever you want, whatever you need to get finish, just to get finished with the script. And remember, you have to have every capital. If there's a capitalization error, the script won't work. So remember, your script has to look exactly like mine, except for Dipper4444 and Developer. Okay, this is what you want your name to be, and this, put your username in this box. Okay, and see these this green writing right here? This is notes. If you put 2 dashes in front, like this, it turns green. So let's just type random. So notes basically means it's just like a reminder. The script will ignore it. It'll just keep going down the script. It'll just ignore all this. So you do not have to put any of this in. I just put in Dipper444 only, because I only want me to have this developer name tag. So once you're done with this script, go back into baseplate. You're just gonna move around and then you don't have to move around, just showing you and then you're gonna hit play. And it should have a name tag over your head. And this is 2019, so it should be still working. If this did help you, and comment your errors. Because remember, all of it has to be spelled correctly, and you cannot have any, and I mean any, capitalization errors. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you have a great game. I hope you make a great game, and I wish best of luck to people who are coding this. And I'll see you guys later. Yeah, remember, leave a comment if this worked for you or not. Peace.